I'm Joshua Griffin with Groundworks Commercial. Welcome to sunny 30A at Panama City Beach. We have a new construction project going on, and as you can see in the background here, the footings have been excavated and piers installed to support the new construction build.
So in this particular site, we're dealing with floodplain issues, tidal surge, and things of that nature. A deep foundation is a prerequisite.
The goal of this project is to install deep foundations for this site. With neighboring buildings close to the lot line, vibration control was essential to prevent soil movement and protect adjacent structures. In this case, we're using a screw-type pile called a helical pier to support this future addition with zero vibration during installation.
Groundworks, in particular for our area, has been a tremendous help to us because of our area's built up substantially. We have a lot of areas where we can't use a traditional foundation system. Having them on hand to weigh in on those different design decisions has been critical.
This project delivers Groundworks' goal of being able to assist design professionals and contractors alike to have a product that will stand the test of time. Being able to install a product, a system, in a matter of a couple of days accelerates project schedule. It's not just about the piers or the engineering, it's about what those foundations will support. With every pier installed, we're protecting the structures that hold our communities together.